You saying gals and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. Today is actually the day that we're going to be taking down our pipe cleaners that we applied. If you haven't watched when I applied these, then go back and watch that video and then come back to this video. But yes, it's take down day, and I say why not give this its own video, because we got to take it down, we got to do something with it. Like, you know, I currently had these pipe cleaners in for about a week. And I ain't gonna lie, like, I have been getting stick left, right, and center. So, we're just gonna take it down and see what it's giving. I just started taking down one. I just wanted to see if we get a little curl, but it looked like we get a little curl. So, let me just show you what I'm doing. So, if you watch when I put these in, you normally just loop it around the base. So I'm just loosening up the base, making sure the base is loose, and then I'm unfolding the end and sliding it through. Boom, it out. Like, very easy, very simple. So yeah, we're just gonna take down the rest. cleanest look now that they're taken down. And I ain't gonna lie, me, I loving the look. Like, I really want to see how this can look when it drop. I probably can just put like a phone clip to see how it can look when it drop. But yes, your girl is curly, so we can wear it just like this maybe for a day or two, because y'all know how locks be. It'll be like this today and then drop tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching this pipe cleaner takedown. Like I say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you love these kind of videos.